Nutmeg is not a background spice. It only pretends to be. Today, it sits quietly on supermarket shelves, grated lightly over desserts, sauces, or holiday drinks. But historically, nutmeg was powerful enough to shape empires, fuel wars, and redraw maps. Nutmeg comes from the seed of Myristica fragrans, an evergreen tree native to the Banda Islands in Indonesia. For centuries, this was the only place on Earth where nutmeg grew naturally. That geographic monopoly made nutmeg one of the most valuable commodities in history. The nutmeg tree produces a fruit that resembles a small apricot. Inside the fruit is a hard seed. That seed is nutmeg. Wrapped around the seed is a bright red, lacy covering called mace, which becomes a separate spice. One fruit, two global spices. Nutmeg's aroma is warm, sweet, woody, and slightly peppery. Its flavor is complex, sweet at first, then earthy, then faintly bitter, with a lingering warmth that spreads rather than burns. Chemically, nutmeg is rich in essential oils, particularly myristicin, eleemicin, and safrole. These compounds give nutmeg its fragrance and flavor, but they also explain its historical role in medicine and its reputation for psychoactive effects when consumed in large quantities. In ancient times, nutmeg was believed to protect against plague, ward off evil spirits, and balance bodily humors. In medieval Europe, people carried nutmeg as a talisman. Some wore it around their necks. Others grated it into wine or food for protection. Because nutmeg was rare and tightly controlled, its price rivaled gold. During the 16th and 17th centuries, European powers fought brutally for access to the Banda Islands. The Dutch eventually took control, enforcing a monopoly with extreme violence, including the near extermination of local populations. At one point, the Dutch traded the island of Manhattan to the British in exchange for a nutmeg-producing island. That is how valuable nutmeg was. Eventually, nutmeg plants were smuggled out and grown elsewhere. Grenada, Sri Lanka, India, and the Caribbean became major producers. The monopoly ended, but nutmeg's influence remained. Culinarily, nutmeg is used sparingly. A small amount transforms dishes. Too much overwhelms. This balance is key. In European cooking, nutmeg is essential to bechamel sauce, potato dishes, spinach, cream-based soups, and sausages. In Italian cuisine, it appears in pasta fillings and sauces. In French cooking, it is foundational. In baking, nutmeg pairs naturally with cinnamon, clove, and ginger. It appears in pies, cookies, cakes, custards, and holiday drinks like eggnog. In savory cooking, nutmeg enhances vegetables, especially leafy greens, squash, potatoes, and legumes. It deepens flavor without adding heat. In Middle Eastern and Indian cuisines, nutmeg is part of spice blends, used in rice dishes, stews, and meat preparations. It adds warmth rather than dominance. Nutmeg is almost never used alone. It works best as a supporting spice, rounding edges and filling gaps in flavor profiles. Nutritionally, nutmeg contributes trace minerals such as manganese, copper, and magnesium. Its antioxidant compounds support cellular health in small amounts. However, nutmeg must be respected. In large doses, its compounds can cause nausea, dizziness, hallucinations, and toxicity. Nutmeg is not a recreational substance. Culinary amounts are safe. Excess is dangerous. This duality contributes to nutmeg's mystique. A spice that comforts in pinches and punishes in excess. From an agricultural perspective, nutmeg trees take years to mature. They are sensitive to climate and require specific tropical conditions. Harvesting is manual and precise. Whole nutmeg retains flavor far longer than ground nutmeg. Once grated, volatile oils dissipate quickly. This is why chefs prefer whole nutmeg and grate it fresh. Visually, nutmeg is unassuming. A small brown oval seed. No bright colors. No dramatic shapes. Its power is invisible. Culturally, nutmeg represents a turning point in global trade. It symbolizes how flavor drove exploration, colonization, and conflict. People crossed oceans for taste. In modern kitchens, nutmeg is associated with warmth, comfort, and tradition. It appears during colder months. It evokes nostalgia, yet its story is anything but gentle. Nutmeg reminds us that even the smallest ingredients can carry massive histories. A pinch on a plate can represent centuries of struggle, ambition, and human desire. Nutmeg is not just a spice. It is a legacy.